Hi, it's Chrissy, and today I wanted to talk about financial resources for cancer patients. When I was diagnosed with cancer 3 years ago, there were so many things going through my mind, but one of the things that was at the top of my mind was how was I going to take care of everything I had going on in my household. To be transparent with you, I had no idea. And I also had no idea that there was financial help for cancer patients until I connected with another cancer patient who told me that there were some resources out there. So I created this video just in case you may be going through something similar and you need an idea of where to look to get some financial help for yourself. One thing that they talk about in the cancer community, alongside the toxicity of all the chemotherapy, is financial toxicity. And financial toxicity is very real because you're constantly going to appointments. You may have to take time off from work to go through treatments. There's so many reasons why your money is impacted by a cancer diagnosis. So I hope that these resources I share with you are helpful in some way or point you in the right direction so that you can relieve yourself from some of the financial worry you could be feeling. So the first organization I want to talk about is called Family Reach. And Family Reach is a nonprofit organization. They provide non-medical financial support for families facing cancer. So they offer grants to help cover your everyday expenses, including food, housing, transportation, and utilities. And I personally reached out to Family Reach for financial help, and I did receive a grant from them. They were excellent to work with, and I highly recommend them if you need that kind of support. They also have a resource navigation resource that provides personalized referrals to local and federal financial programs. And the person that I worked with at Family Reach did offer to help me try to find other assistance. So they were very helpful. And again, that's the reason why I wanted to mention them, because I personally was awarded a grant from them and they were amazing to work with. The other organization I want to mention is the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society. They do focus on blood cancer patients. So if you have leukemia, lymphoma, or multiple myeloma, they have a number of resources actually to help you, including help if you need CAR T-cell treatment. They have urgent need financial assistance. They have a copay assistance program to help you with your copays. They have a patient aid program that provides a small stipend for cancer patients. And they have the local financial assistance program. And that program provides assistance for non-medical expenses, which you can use for transportation, childcare, housing, utilities, food, clothing, or phone. So the local financial assistance program at the time of this recording is a $500 grant, but go to the Leukemia Lymphoma Society website to see the grant amounts and how to apply. Another organization I wanted to mention is called Cancer Care. They offer financial assistance for cancer-related costs such as transportation, housing, and childcare. They also provide co-payment assistance through their Cancer Care Co-Payment Assistance Program. So be sure to go to their website as well to get more details. Another resource that you can use to find financial resources is Cancer Financial Assistance Coalition. That is a robust website, and when you go on that website, you can select your specific cancer, your location, and it'll pull up all kinds of programs that are tailored to your demographic. So be sure to check out that website too. Now, if you're a breast cancer patient, I found a couple of programs that are beneficial to you. One is called the Pink Fund. They provide short-term financial aid for breast cancer patients currently undergoing treatment. Aid covers non-medical expenses, which could be insurance premiums, mortgage or rent payments, car payments, car insurance payments, and utility payments. So be sure to check them out. And another resource for breast cancer patients is called BikersAgainstBreastCancer.com. This organization provides a $300 mini grant for breast cancer patients to help with daily living expenses. Now, if you have a brain tumor diagnosis, you'll want to check out the Glenn Garcelon Foundation because they provide financial assistance for brain tumor diagnosis patients who are undergoing treatment. So again, all of these resources I'm talking about, I'll have links to them in the comments below so that you can look into them for yourself. If you're diagnosed with colon cancer, it's an organization called Meredith's Miracles. And they provide financial assistance for daily living expenses if you have been diagnosed with colon cancer. They do want you to be in active treatment, and this specific financial grant is for patients under the age of 40 years old. Now, the National Pancreatic Cancer Foundation also has financial assistance for those diagnosed with pancreatic cancer, and their funds are for rent, utilities, phone, and you should be in active treatment as well if you're applying for their grant. Now, the Patient Advocate Foundation has a number of grants for people with different kinds of diagnoses, but they have specifically the Merkel Cell Carcinoma Fund, and they also have a financial aid program for people who are undergoing clinical trials. Check their website out for their financial grant information. Like I said, they have a variety of grants for different diagnoses, so definitely check them out. Another organization, if you're dealing with ovarian cancer, is Ovarcome.org. They provide educational materials and financial resources for people diagnosed with ovarian cancer, and it helps with gas or groceries or everyday living expenses as well, so check their website too. Partners in Care is another organization that has financial resources for cancer patients. Their financial assistance is for gas, respite care, medical care, child care, lodging during treatment, food, groceries, and cancer screenings. They require that you've received a cancer diagnosis within the last 6 months. So these are just a few programs that I found that could help you during your cancer treatment. I hope that you check out the resources if you hear of one that you qualify for, and I hope you get additional help from these programs. And there are social workers that work with cancer patients that are possibly connected with your medical team that likely know more information about more resources available to you. So be sure to check that out. I hope this video was helpful to you in some small way. And if you're going through cancer treatment, I send you all the positive vibes. I'll see you in another video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.